Hello there, welcome back. So today I'm doing a pedal sensor on a 2011 Chevy Equinox. So I just want to show you how I get to it. So it's underneath the pedal right here. So you're gonna have to lower this piece of guard right here that goes underneath the steering column. So let me show you what's going on. So I have to use this long universal ratchet handle I get from Harbor Freight to get the screws. I already get one loose at the top here. So I just use this long angle to get to it. So a bit difficult to reach. So let me show you what's going on, guys. So right here I have this long extension ratchet handle, the universal type. So I'm using a 10 socket to get the bolt. As you can see, it can flex on both sides. So you just have to go and get one at Harbor Freight. Take a look on it, guys. So this is what I have to use. I have shorter one, but this one won't work up there, so I have to get the longer one with a 10 socket. So there are a few clips you have to remove to get this guard out. And also need a screw, but I think I got the screw itch up on the magnet on this one. Okay, here we go. So I'm using a light here to get to it. So this is a screw I have to remove. Now this is the socket I use, 7 socket. Here's the socket to get out the screw from the front of the guard, right here. And this is a clip. So I should carry 2 of these clips. So I'm going to have to search for the other one because it dropped behind this cover right here. So that's it right there, guys. So take another look on this sensor, pedal sensor. Really difficult, guys, to get to those screws. Light. So I get one of those screws completely loose at the top. So I have 2 more screws to get to. So I have this one. I start to lose this one already right here, and that one up all the way to the corner. I'm not sure I'm going to get to it, but I'm going to have to try to see if I can get to it. Alright, so I get one off the screw. They are really tight, guys. I can see damage threading on this one. So tight to get it out of the hole right there. But always try to do the easier ones first, guys, and then take on the harder one. That's how I do my thing. We should do the easier one first and leave the hard one to last. In some case, this one I may have to use a shorter socket to get it out, guys. Let me see if I can still reach it. Okay, so I'm getting it turned. So do the easier ones first, guys. I'll leave the other one to last. And take it on time and get it right. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and use the shorter 10 socket. See if I can use it with a smaller angle. Let's see, what is this? This is a 9. This is a 10. Alright, so let me try again. eventually I have to use a shorter one down below. Let's see if I can get this guard out the way. This one is getting a bit humbugging. Let's see if I can go back the seat. Okay. Alright. It's a bit difficult to get to the one lower. Alright guys, so let me see if I can pop this clip at the lower end. Lower the seat a bit, so let's see if I can get to the other clip. Alright, so that should be good right there now guys. So let me see if I can finish removing this bottom bolt. So now I got some more space guys to work with. I don't know why, but these screws are so tight, man. Alright guys, so this is the second one. So now I got two, so I have one more to try and reach. And all the way up to the back, the corner. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the socket on it guys. Alright guys, so this old one was taking up a lot of time, so I just break it off guys. So I can just easily remove the screw now. Let's screw a little bit to the back. Taking up all my time trying to figure out how to get this one. No space guys, so I may have to try use a nut and bolt, a smaller bolt around it, because there are no space to get to this one guys, no space. So I'm going to find a smaller bolt and a nut and put it through there and like get it tight. Okay. Alright guys, so I get it out. So easiest way, if you're gonna change the center, just pull the front ones, two first screws, which is right here, these two screws, and just break it off. I'm gonna get a nut and bolt, a smaller one that can go through the hole and lock it. So stay tuned for the other part of the video, guys. Alright now guys, so right here I get a small bolt. So this is a 8 bolt nut and bolt that I'm going to use up there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue this nut to the back of the sensor right here. So let me show what I'm going to do. I'm using my one hand, guys, so you can please see with me. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some glue around the end of it. I'm just gonna lock it in place. Just gonna glue it right there, guys. So I use some crazy glue, guys, to see if I can glue this to the sensor. So now I'm gonna put in the screw. You can easily catch. Alright, so I'm gonna mount it now, and guys, and show you what's going on. Alright guys, so I get a nut and bolt for it, 8mm. So what I have to do, I have to get a lighter and heat up this piece right here and melt it and put it over the screw while the crazy glue. I use some crazy glue on here. So I get some crazy glue, put it to the back of the nut, get some fire and heat this piece here. I use a lighter. So what I do, I use lighter and melt this piece of plastic right here and put it over the screw, so it is all in place. So now I can mount it to the car. So let me mount it now, guys, and show you what's going on. Alright guys, so this is what it should look like, the nut behind there. So that's how the pedal should stay. So you're gonna put the nut to the back, just like that, guys. So let me mount it now. Alright guys, so I get the nut and bolt to work. So let me show you what's going on. So I have this inspection camera right here. So I'm gonna show you the nut. See if I can get it. See what's going on. Alright, that's it right there, guys. That's it to the back side. Let me show you what's going on to the front. Alright, so I'll get the bolt in. And there you go, right there, guys. This camera is so good, it can pick up everything clearly, guys. That's it. So I get the nut in. So I just have one more bolt to get to tighten it, guys. Also one to the top. Got one more to the top there to get to. And that should be okay right here. So that's it for now, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.